Hello, this is Gems with ouziadesigns, and I am here to go over your HTML editor. As you can see, we are inside of CPanel. You're going to start by going to your File Manager. Here you can see we're using Winterberry Villas as an example. It asked if you want to go to the document route for Winterberry Villas. Really any of these are fine, so we'll just press Go. Right. So this is what your File Manager looks like. You go inside of the public HTML, which is actually where we are. That is where your website is located. As you can see here, here's our web pages. Here's different folders. So we're going to start by just here's the HTML editor. So we're going to click on a web page to edit. Why don't we try index? Index is always your home page. Please do not rename the web pages, or that would actually mess up the links that go from one to the other. So you're going to click on HTML editor. Just sort of ignore this and just go to edit. So here you go. This is your HTML editor. This is actually a Flash document. It can sometimes show up a little bit strange. Your website can always look a little bit different when you're opening it up. But here's our text. This is an image. Same here. This is an image. So those are not you're not able to edit those. In terms of editing text, it's about the same as using Word. You can just come in here and write. Instead of eco-friendly, we could say green built here. You'll just type that in and pop up. Save is over here, and if you press save, it'll automatically go online. So why don't we do that? We'll press save. Go back to continue editing. So let's open up a tab and let's see the website and see if it's saved. So I'm going to go to Winterberry Villas, or you go to whatever your domain name is. Oh, open up something else completely. Right, so we'll open up Winterberry Villas for the home page. And as you can see, it now says the Green Built Condominium Community. So that was edited. Let's go back and change it back so you can get a sense of it. So we'll go back to Go Friendly. And press save again. Now if we come here, as you can see, we'll refresh the page, and it now says eco-friendly. That's about how simple it is to edit your text using your HTML editor. And sometimes there is, you can also, if you want, there's several different options. You can center your text here. You can also change the colors. For example, let's say we want to make eco-friendly green. You could come up here, open up different colors, and you could choose a color. Okay. And as you can see, it is now green. Same, there's also different styles, which is actually what you use when making a website, where you can choose different fonts here or different size. Mostly the fonts have already been embedded into a style sheet, so this isn't actually the best way in terms of fonts unless you want to make just one font, different. But it's also, if you want to make bold or italic, that's just fine. That's also up here, underlined. Again, very similar to Word, very easy to use. There is one strange thing when working with HTML editor or any web editing software. When you click enter, you'll notice it very rarely, let's say we want to go to the next line here, it does not create a space just below. It always leaves an extra space. There are several different ways, and if you do want to, for example, write Winterberry's condominium community without having the A up here, which is to actually write it into your email account. So whether you're using CPanel, it's email account, or if you're using Yahoo, Hotmail, if you write in your text and copy and paste it, it'll come in exactly with the spaces you put in there. So that's just an easy way. Next one, we will show you how to enter an image using HTML